Subsectors of industries. Key points. Manufacturing stood at first place in GSVA at current prices. Mining and quarrying has a share of 14.7% in GSVA, while construction has the share of 19.9%. The GVA of industrial sector increased by approximately 20% in 2021 to 2020. Additional information. GVA stands for Gross Value Added, which indicates the value of goods and services produced in a given area. It is also defined as the total value paid by the consumer at the market. GSVA stands for Gross State Value Added, which indicates the value of goods and services produced in the state.